Handling stress is an essential soft skill that can greatly contribute to your well being and effectiveness in various aspects of life. In today's video, we shall be discussing about 5 such things that could help you manage your stress. The very first tip is to practice self awareness. When you are self aware and you understand your mind and body completely, it is easier for you to handle stress. Pay attention to your emotions, your thoughts, your physical sensations. Being aware of what triggers you and causes stress helps you analyze and win the first step of managing your stress, and that too effectively. The second tip is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. How can you do that, and how can this help you with managing your stress? By having a right set of things that you eat and maintaining your diet, living a healthy lifestyle, doing a little bit of meditation, reading, anything that calms you down, be it dancing, reading, walking, taking a stroll, jogging, whatever it is to maintain a healthy lifestyle, could actually help you reduce your stress. At the same time, it is also very important to get proper hours of sleep. Try and avoid having too much sugar or caffeine. That will help you reduce your stress too. A well nourished body is better equipped to handle stress. The third tip is to seek social support. You may reach out to your friends, family members, or people that you really confide in, who can provide emotional support and also lend you their ear to listen to whatever you have got to say. By sharing things with people, you automatically reduce your stress and do not keep them holding within you. This is a very important technique that you could use to handle your stress. The fourth tip is effective communication. When things bother you and the people who have been bothering you, if you go and have a proper communication with them, it helps you reduce your stress. The more you keep things within you, like I just discussed in my previous point, the more it is going to cause stress within you. By effectively communicating about how you feel and what you're liking and not liking to the person who's making you feel like that, can help you solve your stress and can help you de-stress from the current situation that you are in. Communicating can thus be a very effective tool to be discussing about things and solving things out and also managing your time accordingly. The more you keep things within you, the more time consuming it is going to get, and also it's only going to increase the level of stress within you. Last but not the least, the fifth tip is to remove time for your hobbies. Yes, it is very important to remove time for the things that you really love, be it your hobbies or your responsibilities that you absolutely love doing. By doing so, you can unwind yourself and relax yourself way too much. By doing things that make you happy, your stress level reduces and your body then starts feeling lighter, your mind starts feeling lighter, and you can lead towards a happy path. Once you start doing things that really give you happiness and you remove time for them in your busy schedule, your stress is half gone already. By removing time for the things you love, for the hobbies, which would include anything, be it singing, dancing, talking to people, talking to your loved ones, removing time to do that, or serving your parents or your children, a part of your responsibility, these all things could help you unwind better. Hobbies and leisure activities help you relax and become creative. Remember that everyone's stress triggers and coping mechanisms could be different from each other. Thus, it is important to experiment with different strategies and find out what works the best for you. Developing strong stress management skills take time and practice, but the benefits for your overall well-being are worth the effort. If you think that this video has helped you in a certain way to manage your stress, share it with all the other people you think would be in a stressful situation, and let them also utilize these 5 tips and see the changes that come within them. Share this video with all those people who have been under stress in this competitive world. Also, if there is anything specific that you would like me to make a video over, please put it in the comment section below. I will try and make that in my next video. If you are a new viewer to my channel, I would request you to please click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time that a new video is uploaded. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me. Until I see you next, keep smiling, keep shining.